What's up, my fellow riders? We are going to start step 3 of the upgrade of my 2012 Sportster 72. Today we are going to try to put on the new hand grips, and hopefully it all goes well. And we'll start it now. Got to take off the old ones, put on the new ones, obviously. So we'll take off the clutch side and then go to the brake side. Alright, you got two T25 screws you got to take out on the clutch side, and then it's easy to replace. So this one looks like they've already been replaced with some aftermarket pieces. So Performance Machinery grips is on there now. So, but I was wanting everything to be the same, so I got the let's see, what did I get? I got the Defiance hand grips in chrome, they call these. So that's what we're going to put on. Where all possible, you should use a magnetic tray to hold your parts. There's a screw on top, and there's a screw on the bottom, which is right here. Which didn't seem to be tight anyway. Looks like there is a set screw in there, if we can get you to see it or not. The set screws, there's 2 set screws. There's one, yikes, there's one there. It feels like there may be one over here somewhere, and one there, so we'll do that. Alright, unscrew the set screws. Hopefully I'm not stripping them out and taking them out. That looks like I am. Still looks like it may be glued on, which will suck. Nope, not glued on. So those just took set screws. And these, you see how the end has the notch in it. That's how they go in. The housing here has the same groove, so you can only put it in kind of like one way. I'm going to unloosen that to make my life easier. There. Alright, that is the clutch side. Alright, we're going to move over to the brake side. And the first thing that we'll do is we'll have to pull those down out of the way. They just cover the adjustment for the throttle. So I'll put you up on the tripod and we'll make those adjustments. We'll unloosen those. I'll go get the wrenches and such. For those, I'll put you up on the tripod. You need 2 3/8 wrenches. So you got 2 wires to take out. And then it should come out. So I'm hoping I may have to unloosen the brake. This whole assembly too, but I'll get a pick, see if I can get, or something straight that I can get and push that out. And you can't lose the brass connectors or it's going to be crappy. So take them off and put them somewhere. So slide. So there's the other brass piece, I think. Stick it somewhere where you don't lose it, or you won't be able to put it back together. Then the grip just slides off. Easy. So, in reverse, hopefully. There it is. Easy, easy. Alright, now to adjust this back where it will work. Alright, once you got your cables readjusted, you slide your cover back over.
Me and sister's going to Michael's.
Okay. Buy me something pretty.
Okay. Drive?
No. No.
Why not?
Because you can't turn left or right correctly yet.
Hey. She goes, that had me confused. Tell me turn right and I ran up on the curb.
She about did a turn to the right, me can go up on the curb. Anyway, once you adjust your cables, just make sure it returns without any effort. So once you get it set, this is what does that. You take it, I think, a slack out with this other one. So, but that will cause it to hang up. So you got to make sure they're both adjusted accordingly. So get a manual if you don't know. Anyway, that is it. My grips are on. I'm gonna go take it for a test drive to make sure it's safe, and I do have this thing adjusted right. Everything looked good. Next project will be my pegs. So, see you on that video. Thanks for watching. And again, these aren't tutorial videos. These are just me sitting here doing it. So, anyway, thanks again. We'll see you on the peg install video. Bye.